Hey guys, and welcome to the Unreal Place. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you a fix to a problem I've had in Unreal Engine for a while. So if your workflow is from Sketchup to Unreal Engine, and if you're like me and still use older versions for some of your projects, then you are in the right place. As of this recording, 4.25 is the latest version, but I'll be using 4.22. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is a restaurant scene I created in Sketchup. So basically you have sitting area here, open, and that open area, sitting area here, bar area in front, and the feature wall. So basically I exported this to Unreal Engine using Datasmith, and after working on lighting and tweaking the materials a little bit, I was able to come up with this. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. So one good thing about Datasmith is materials come in optimized as instance materials, and every instance material is linked to one master material. Alright, so let's check out the setup of a typical material instance. So let's check out the brick material. So in the details panel, click on the browse icon to take it to the material, and as you can see, it says material instance. So I double click and it opens the material instance window, and to your right you can see we have some SketchUp parameters. We have texture, scale, opacity, and then we have some Unreal Engine extended parameters where you can turn on metallic, use normal maps, and then adjust the roughness intensity. So these are all good, but I would like to have some more parameters. For example, let's say I want to adjust the tint of the brick or make it brighter or darker. So typically I would go to the master material, make those adjustments there, and when I save, it will reflect in every single instance material. So to do that, simply scroll down here to where we have the parents. It says Sketchup master material. So if I click on this browse icon, it should take me to the master material, but it doesn't. So this is where the problem is. When I clicked on this browse icon, it opened up the engine content, but it doesn't show the material. Okay, so there are two ways to solve this. The first way is to simply migrate your or upgrade your project to 4.24 or 4.25. But if for whatever reason you can't or don't want to, another way, or the fix I found around this, is to migrate any material at all. So still use the same brick material, right click and migrate, say OK. So I'll go to my desktop and create a content folder, and successful. So I'll go to my desktop to the folder I migrated to. What I simply have to do is open it. You'll see a materials folder, and in there you see the SketchUp master material. So I'll simply copy this into my project. This is the folder where I have my project. So open it, go to the content folder, and you can create any folder and put it anywhere you want, but I already have the material folder and I'll simply just paste it in here. So now if I go back to Unreal Engine and go to my material folder, if you don't see it, simply close and reopen your Unreal Engine. Alright, so after restarting my Unreal Engine, the SketchUp master material is showing now. So the final step is quite simple. So if you then want to adjust any material instance, what you simply have to do is go to the material and then replace this SketchUp master material with the one we now have in our project. So as simple as that. Now let me add one parameter to see, confirm that it works. So open the master material. Let's say I want to add brightness parameter. So create multiply node, drag this here, using the base color, and then right click and promote to parameter called brightness. And then set the default value to 1. Alright, so save. And then now you can see under scalar parameter value I have brightness, so I can now adjust the brightness of my brick material. So the same way, if I want to adjust another material, let's say the floor, simply go to the floor material and then drag in Sketchup master material, and then it also brings out the brightness parameter. So voila. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you learned something new. Also, if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And also you can click on the notification bell to know when I drop new tutorials. I'll be back soon with more tips and tricks. See you next time.